To send money with Zelle from Wells Fargo, you will first need to ensure that you have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account and that you are enrolled in Wells Fargo Online or the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you are not enrolled, you can sign up for Wells Fargo Online or download the mobile app to get started. Next, you will need to verify your email address or mobile phone number to use Zelle. This is a security measure to ensure that your transactions are safe and secure. Once you have verified your email address or mobile phone number, you can start sending money with Zelle. To send money, log in to Wells Fargo Online or the mobile app and navigate to the Send Money with Zelle tab. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction, which is optional. Review the transaction details to ensure that the information is correct, and then confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received the money, and it will be available to them immediately. It is essential to note that to use Zelle, the recipient must also have a bank account in the United States and be enrolled with Zelle. If the recipient is not enrolled with Zelle, they will receive an email or text message with instructions on how to enroll and receive the money. When sending money with Zelle, it is crucial to only send money to people you know and trust, such as friends and family members. This will help prevent any potential scams or unauthorized transactions. Additionally, be aware of the transaction limits and any applicable fees associated with using Zelle. These limits and fees may vary depending on your account type and the recipient's bank. In summary, sending money with Zelle from Wells Fargo is a fast and convenient way to transfer funds to friends and family members. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your transactions are safe and secure.